Ciao beautiful people, welcome back on my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week, if I can speak. Today, very special video because I recently achieved 12k, 12,000 subscribers here on my channel, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you, because this started as a hobby and is slowly turning into something a bit more that is giving me a little income that helps me and Jamie achieve the dream to move to Italy. And every penny that I make here on YouTube through the videos, the advertisements, and also you guys purchase my kit after tax, is helping us achieving the dream. So thank you. And I value every single one of you, because without you watching the videos and taking the time to leave a comment and interacting with me, this wouldn't be possible. So I just want to say thank you. And to celebrate the 12,000 milestone, I thought I will give away this month VIP lounge papers. My VIP lounge started as a little tiny community or membership, and is slightly growing with the time, because many of you have decided to trust me to bring some crafty digitals to you every month, just paying a tiny amount. Although it's tiny, but it's really much appreciated. So I just want to say thank you to all the VIP members that trust me to bring some joy every month. Your support, guys, is really much appreciated. So thank you on behalf of me and Jamie. That is work at the moment. I'm filming on my day off. Okay, so before we do everything, let me show you what you're gonna get this month. You're gonna get these 3 sets of papers. Okay, I'll show you them in a minute. You're also going to get the template, which I am missing. Oh God, where is it? I should have been prepared. I was prepared, and then that's it. You also get the template to make this one. So part of my VIP membership, every month you get a letter gift box. So last month was A, this month is B, and it will be C, D, etc. So we're going to do all the alphabet and all the numbers, okay, one a month. So I'm giving the chance to 3 of you to get these 3 papers and the letter box. Okay, so I will do this every month. So just again, just a little way to say thank you to every single one of you. Let me show you the papers first. Okay, the first kit is called Tools from the Past. So there are basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different backgrounds. So I have used the same floral backgrounds for each individual one of them. Just put some flowers on top. So we got a radio and a camera, very vintagey. If you do journaling, and I left a plain page specifically if you guys do journaling with that. At least you got a blank plain page that you can print several times if you need some plain pages. There is a cafetiere and a clock. There's a telephone. Do you remember with the one that you had to, no, this way, and a displayer, and a TV, and a very vintagey cinema film strip player. Love them. So this is very vintagey for everybody that likes a bit of shabby, a bit of romantic, that sort of vintage vibe. Kit number two is for glitz. No, so these I've done last year. I don't remember which month. I've done a kit with diamonds and lots of rings and things. So your feedback were great. So you asked for some more. So I create another kit full of diamonds. Look at that. So you've got lots of different diamonds. So this one here, you make 2 pillow boxes. Okay, so that's that and that's that. I have printed on a thick cardstock. I mean, if I drop them, literally they are undestroyable, so you can't not destroy them. Very, very thick. So this is one, and I'm going to do a separate video on how we decorate them, because I have a die cut on a sort of diamond shape that we can do something with. So that's what the 2 pillow boxes look like. So you've got a full background, you've got some embellishments. So these were a very princessy embellishment. So this kit is called Glam Princess. You got a piano, some jewelries, a teapot. What else is in there? There's another fan, there's a bathtub, it's the shoes, more fans. Beautiful. The color palette for this kit is purple and silver. So you see everything matches. And then the last page is a gift box. It's a milk carton gift box. So when you do it up, it looks like this. Okay, so the 4 squares are the 4 squares there. These elements here are the bases. The 2 triangles are basically the triangles that when you fold them inwards, and then the little strip on top is where you close it. I like to do these gift boxes a lot because they are quite cute and unusual, and also you can glue them down or you can put a peg so the person that will receive the little box can reuse a separate time. But yeah, love. Look at that, so pretty. So, but we'll do another video on how to decorate them. Okay, kit number 3 is called From Paris with Love, because there are, put it this way, so there's 4 pages. So you've got 1 background full of Parisian style deco. It's a full page where you can create a secretary pocket. So we do a separate video on this, but basically you fussy cut them. You can use this as a large tag and you slide them things in, or you can fold it in a half and you've got a matching pocket. There's another background. Look at that, super cute. And I don't know if you can see it, there's some glittery paper there. And then, yeah, very romantic, very French inspired. And then another background where you got the Eiffel Tower, some stamps and some more floral. And then another page with so it's 5 pages. I don't know what I said for. Yeah, it's 5 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4 with 2 envelopes, 2 rectangular envelopes and a large envelope. So this kit, I designed it, if you guys do like journaling, travel journal, that will be quite cute, because you've got a couple of backgrounds, you've got some pockets that you can either slice your Polaroid. So we can either do like some Polaroid, so many ideas. And then the last but not least, every month as a little treat, I gifting you a letter gift box. Okay, so this month is the letter B. Okay, so this is the instructions, and I have printed mine on a thicker cardstock, so I will show you in just a second what it looks like when it's done up. So this month is all about leopard print or like animal related. The color palette is the same, and also on the second page, so this will be the reverse, but I'll show you in just a second. And this page here is an additional page where you can create anything like cards or little just like a little background. But let me show you what it looks like, but also let me show you last month letter A. So this is what the letters B looks like, all nice and done up, super cute, still wet. And this is letter A from last month. Okay, so we got letter A and letter B, and every month every letter will be in a different style. So we got some floral butterfly with some leopard print or animal theme. Letter C, I can't tell you, but it's very artistic. Okay, I'll give you a little hint. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy and have fun making them and collecting them as well. Okay, so now if you wish to join my VIP membership, let me show you on the website where it is. Okay guys, so this is my website When you click on VIP Lounge, this is the screen that will appear. So it says choose your monthly membership plan. As a VIP member, you get super spoiled. Join today for special treat. I have 3 monthly subscriptions and the yearly membership. So it's completely up to you. You can pay monthly or you can just pay one off that will last for 12 months. On the monthly basis, we have the pink butterfly, the blue butterfly and the gold butterfly. With the pink butterfly, you will get 10% discount across all digital papers on my website, 1 mini, which is a 4 pages digital paper pack, and a monthly special offer or a gift. With the blue butterfly, which is £4 a month, you will get 20% discount across all digital papers on the website, 2 minis, which is 4 pages each, digital papers, and then a monthly special offer and gift. With the £5 one, which is the gold butterfly, which is the premium one, you get everything. You get 30% discount across all digital papers. You have all the 3 4 pages digital paper packs. All the paper packs are designed specifically for the VIP members. They're not available for everybody else on the website. A monthly offer and also 1 A5 size fine art print delivered to your home address and a special video with project and tutorial. Okay. With the 12 months one, which is the £45, you just pay upfront. It will last 12 months and it's the same benefit as the gold butterfly. So when you join the gold butterfly, I say here is 1 A5 size fine art print delivered. Basically, as it's one of those ones. So the Idea Fairy or the Muse of Poetry, they are printed on watercolor paper and then get shipped to your home address for free because I offer complimentary delivery for all my VIP members. Okay, so it's up to you guys. So you've got 3 different memberships, monthly or a yearly one. Right, so let's explain. So for the chance to win the 3 pages, the 3 paper packs, and of course the template, there is also a video, a private video. It's on my YouTube channel, but it's only available to the VIP members that show you how to put a box together. So don't worry, don't panic. Everything is explained in the video as well. So what you need to do, you need to leave a comment down below. You have to be an active subscriber to my channel. So I only accept visible subscribers. So leave me a comment down below. Just tell me what you would do using these 3 paper packs. Just give me some more ideas, okay? So you can say, I don't know, with the French inspired paper, I could make, I don't know, an envelope or a journal. Just give me some ideas. I'm really interested to see what you would do with these 3 paper packs. I will pick 3 winners. I will do, let's leave it a week. Okay, so it gives the chance to everybody to watch the video. Let's leave a week. And then I will pick with random.org. I will pick 3 winners. And the 3 winners will receive these 3 paper packs and the letterbox straight into their email address. Good luck, everyone. And yeah, might the best 3 winners win. Guys, thank you so much. I hope you like this video, and for more giveaways, considering give a big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Guys, I will see you on Friday for a very special Friday freebie. It's linked to my VIP members. Yes, so I will get a really lovely freebie designed from one of these pages. Okay, so don't forget to tune in. I'll see you on Friday, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah! Bye!